Welcome, laser enthusiasts! Today we're going to take a deep dive into MeerK40t, a user-friendly laser control software that will help make your laser cutting and engraving experience a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this tutorial should help you get comfortable with the software. Let's get started. Step 1. Opening your project. To begin, go to the File menu on the menu bar and select Open Project, or the Open button on the ribbon bar. Choose the project file you want to work with. If you're starting from scratch, select New to clear the old project work. Step 2. Set up your project. In the Design section of the ribbon bar, you will find various tools to create and edit your graphics. You can use the Modify page to align your designs perfectly to each other, or you can use the on-screen selections to arrange them appropriately. Step 3. Setting up laser parameters. In the tree and the operations properties, you can adjust power, speed, and other settings. Modify the parameters according to your needs. This will ensure optimum cutting and engraving results. The job will be performed going over each operation with the settings set for that operation in the order it appears in the tree. Step 4. Previewing and simulating. Before sending your design to the laser cutter, it's good practice to review and simulate the job to help you visualize the final result and catch any potential issues. Use the simulation feature in the laser control pane to ensure that everything looks perfect. When you're satisfied with your design, you can send it to the laser. Step 5. Sending the job to the laser cutter. Once you're satisfied with your design and your settings, connect your laser to the computer and make sure it is properly recognized. Then simply click Arm and Start. Step 6. Monitoring the job. During the cutting or engraving process, you can keep an eye on the controller window. It provides real-time feedback, statistics as to how the job is going, and USB controller log. It is essential to ensure a smooth and successful operation. Additionally, you can use this spooler to check the progress of the job as it goes, as well as pause the job if necessary, or abort the job if necessary. Now let's talk about troubleshooting. Even with user-friendly software like MeerK40t, you may encounter occasional issues. Here's a few common troubleshooting tips to help you overcome them. Check your connections. In the controller window, you will have the option of seeing the connection as well as the USB log. When it connects, it will say which driver it was detected with and that the device connected. You may send small jog commands to your laser in Laser Control in the Jog tab. If you do this, you will see that your laser attempts to connect, and if it fails to connect, it will show the failure in the log until such time as the connection can be safely restored, and it will perform the action given. If there isn't a physical problem with your connection, then the problem would probably be in your device manager for your device driver. For example, here you can tell I have the lib USB driver, which is located here in the device manager. This particular driver is compatible with both MeerKAT and K40 Whisperer. The other driver setup is the default Windows driver, the CH341A, which is the chip that performs the USB connection with the card. It appears in interface under here. This is not compatible with K40 Whisperer, but is compatible with the original Chinese software. However, in either configuration, MeerKAT works equally well. However, the drivers must be correctly installed. Congratulations! You've completed a basic overview of MeerKAT and its essential features. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to mastering the software and creating amazing laser cut and engraved projects. That wraps up today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in getting started with MeerKAT. Stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials where we'll explore advanced techniques and tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future episodes. Happy laser cutting and engraving! Thanks for watching.